Why are you playing? Beanie Yoshi doesn't have to study or clean. Yeah, time. Okay, how about a 24-hour baby challenge? Yeah! If I take a 24-hour baby challenge, I don't have to clean up or do the homework. We can just play all day. Okay, it's time for lunch. I want some vegetables. Me too. No vegetables. But vegetables are healthy. Yeah, but you're taking a baby challenge. You have to eat baby food. Ew! Ew! What? Ew, I don't want to eat baby food anymore. Rude. Stop! Play with this. Just a baby car. See, I can't even finish. I can't. It's so little. How, Goomba? You're taking a 24-hour baby challenge. Your baby's Luigi and Cat Peach, okay? Okay, Goomba. Your turn, Luigi. Luigi. Baby Yoshi can probably fit this. Time to watch TV. What? Yeah, baby challenge, baby video. No, Goomba, no more baby challenge. Let's go relax. Oh, you want to relax? Get in this crib. A crib? I want to sleep on my car bed. I want to sleep on my airplane bed. No, you're babies. No, I don't want to be the baby. No, I don't know why we had to do the baby challenge. Me too. We just want to relax and take a nap on our real beds. Okay. But remember to clean up after yourself. Okay. It's all clean, Goomba. Good job, Cat Peach. All clean. Really good job, Luigi. Really good job, Luigi. Yay! I'm so proud that you guys would take some responsibility now. Yeah, because we're not doing the baby challenge anymore. More responsibility. More clean. Me too. Me too. Huh? No! Shy guy. No fighting. Let's share. Shy guy, you are being a bad boy. You are being a bad boy. What's happening? Shy guy's being a bad boy. I don't know what. Alex, take a look, friends. I got Hey, Demi! Shy guy! What are you doing? You're no fun, Shy guy. Time out! No, Shy guy. Get inside right now. Larry, can you help Glenn? Sure. I'm gonna make some juice make milk for Chuba. But first, friends, first we get the cup, then we get the milk dispenser. Do you like it? Ooh! Next, we push the button. Beep-chee-chee-chee-chee! Beep-chee-chee-chee-chee! Perfect. Now you make the juice. First, the pepper. Now the apple. Now the apple. First, we look inside. Which one gets the best special with some broccoli, apples, and grapes. Sure. I wonder what my gosh. I don't know. Do you? Do you? Huh? What? Go back, take off. Hey, there's no escaping time out. You still got your time. Get back and stop right now. Aha! You know how you. Who are you talking to? Our friend. Get back in time out. You know you're not allowed to get out. Aha! You know how to get out. I mean, my princess. You have to. And then, I hear music. Nice play. Let me see, Shy Guy. He has not moved. I said, when I'm in time out. Let me see. Good job, Cover Trooper. We have proven Shy Guy being bad, friends. Always be a good boy. Or